landscape it. Ready? Hello YouTube, this is Jimmy Brooks here. A few days ago I was talking with another Locksport member, and he asked me if I needed some padlocks. Of course I said yes, and he sent them to me, and here is that package. I just got it today, and I am going to unbox it right here. As you can see, there's already one end open. I checked it for any letters or messages or anything like that, but here we go. This is from Jake 173. 1973. Jake 1973. Yeah. Alrighty. Make sure I get the names right. But anyway, here we go. And I don't know what you put in here. We're about to see. Oh, I see some Padlocks and Ace. Alright. Warded padlock. Padlock number 1. Some have keys and some don't. That'll be alright too. We don't need no keys. Like a wafer lock. Anyway, 40mm master V-line. Some of these I have not, I don't have, so it'll be fun to pick. Card. Thank you. Yeah, that's been videoed once before. I think Jake 1973 bypassed that one. U-Haul lock. I've never picked one of those either. Yeah, this will be fun. Little decoding. Quick set. I do plan on trying to make some challenge locks as soon as I get some more locks to make them with. So you can be looking for that in the future too. Guard. Brinks. Another warded lock. A master lock number 3 and another Chinese copy. Alrighty folks, that's what I've got. Thank you Jake 1973, I appreciate it. As soon as I accumulate some other locks, I'll make sure that I return the favor. Thank you. Y'all have a good night.